In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $300 a day on Digistore 24, and I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to digistore24.com and you want to click on the register now button to create an account. However, if you are having difficulty creating an account, I have already made a separate video on how to create a fully functional Digistore 24 account. So check the link in the description for that video. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. As you can see, you are going to have access to various digital products that you can promote for absolutely free and start making money on Digistore 24. So once you've created your account, the next step is looking for viral content to promote this affiliate product. And the number one source of viral content I use is Reddit. As you can see right here, all you need to do is to come over to this subreddit called Funny Videos. So you can see this subreddit has almost 1 million members, and this tells you a lot of people come over to this platform to watch funny videos. And the reason why I use this subreddit is because if this video is getting a lot of engagement on Reddit, that tells you that that is a good video that you can promote on other platforms. So now if you come over here, you can see this video posted just 4 hours ago. You can see over 200 upvotes on this video. And now if I play the video, all right, so as you can see, that is all of the video. As an affiliate marketer, you want to look at the video and you want to think of a product that is going to be suitable for this video. All right, so if I over through this video right here, you can see this is a video of a lady and a guy right here just having fun. All right, so what you want to do from here is to then go back to Digistore 24. If you go back to your account, you want to scroll down to this section which says dating, love, and relationships. So if I click on this section right here, you can see right here there are 19 products available on Digistore 24 that you can promote to this audience. All right, so as you can see right here, this product is Secret Obsession. As you can see right here, you're going to earn $27 when people purchase this product. So what you want to do from here is very simple. All you need to do is to go back to Reddit and you want to click on share. So once you click on share, this is going to give you a link to this video, and all you need to do is to copy this video. Then you want to go over to this website called redditsave.io. So once you come over here, you want to paste in the link here and you want to click on download. So once you click on download, you want to click on this section that says MP4. So once you click on that, as you can see, it's going to bring you to the video right here, and all you need to do is to click on these 3 dots and click on download. So once you do that, the video is going to download to your device right away. So after doing this, the next step is now uploading this video to TikTok and uploading it to YouTube Short as well. So all you just need to do is to basically create a TikTok account and you want to upload that video to TikTok. So once you create your TikTok account, all you need to do is to click on the upload section. So once you click on the upload section, all right, so once you do that, you want to upload the video to your TikTok account, as you can see, just as I've done right here. Then you want to make sure to change the caption to the same one used on Reddit. So if you go back to your Reddit, you're going to see the caption right here. So once you do that, and then you want to come over to this hashtag section, and here you want to type in something like relationship. All right, so like I said, you want to type in as many tags that are related to the video. All right, so as you can see right here, these are just a few tags that are related to this video. And now you want to make sure to change the thumbnail to something like this. All right, something that is going to captivate people's attention to want to watch this video. So once you do this, this is all you need to do, and you want to click on post. Okay, you can see this is a very simple strategy, and now you want to repeat the same process on YouTube Shorts as well. All right, so this is how I do it. You want to grab this content and you want to repost them to TikTok. Then you want to come back to Reddit to grab the username of the person who posted this video. So all you need to do once you do that, then you want to paste in the username of the person who posted the video right here. Okay, so that way you are giving credit to the owner of this video. Another thing you can do is to directly message this user and ask for their permission before posting this video. All right, so if you don't want to do that, you can just give them credit directly on the video. Okay, so once you do this, all you need to do is to post this video, and like I said, you want to do this on TikTok as well. Okay, and once you do that, you want to look for more videos you can post as well. As you can see, this video right here is someone trying to exercise. So this definitely tells you that the most suitable product to promote with this video is the health and fitness product. Okay, so now once you do this, you are going to start getting a lot of engagement. So once you do this, now you want to go back to Digistore 24 to grab your affiliate link, and now all you need to do is to copy this link. You want to shorten the link, so you can use any URL shortener of your choice. So I'm going to use cut.ly, and all you need to do is to paste the affiliate link right here and click on shorten. So once you shorten the link, you want to copy the shortened link. I've done this several times, and a lot of videos get me 1,000 followers in just a few days. So as you can see, this is an example of an account I created using this strategy. I only posted 2 videos on this account, and you can see one of the videos got over 30,000 views, and this video got me 1,000 followers in less than 3 days. So once you reach 1,000 followers on TikTok, you'll be able to post affiliate link in the bio. However, for YouTube Shorts, you don't need to have 1,000 followers. You can just add the link in the description of your video. And also, as you can see right here, this is one video I posted on this YouTube Shorts account. As you can see, in the first 24 hours, it got over 2,000 views and over 300 subscribers. All right, and now another way of getting videos to use is to go over to Facebook, and you want to type in funny videos. So once you type in funny videos, you want to make sure to sort it by group. So once you sort it by group, you are going to see a lot of Facebook groups that you can download videos, and you want to repost them to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So this is a very simple strategy any beginner can use to get started and start making money online.